Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Thank you so much for tuning in to this special demo. This one is called the CC. That's right, the CC. And yeah, it's all custom. It was made for the very first person who ordered the CC. He sent me some things that he wanted it to look like, some drawings, some pictures, and I sent some drawings back. We manipulated a few details, and this is what we came up with. So now you're looking at the very first CC, but we'll make more. This particular one, going over some of the features. Now, the other nitty-gritty details will be over here in the description. But some of the features that make this a little different than most other guitars that I've made is check that out. The thing is a potato chip. Potato? A potato, yeah. It's thin. Yeah, that's what it is. Look at that. Now, this particular one, we went with some really cool woods for the neck and really cool woods for the body and some really cool electronics. So I can make them a few different ways, but this will be the shape of it, and that will be the headstock for it. And if anybody has any other questions, CCC for detail. See what I did there? Okay. Here's the cool thing about it. Guess what? It's tuned in drop C. So, yeah, it is multi-scale, as you could tell, of course, fan fret. Again, all the details are over here. I'm not going to waste the next few minutes going over that. I can tell you it does have the Tosin Abasi signature pickups in it. But I am old school, and I'm talking like really old school, barely count past 6, so don't expect me to play any Tosin Abasi licks, all right? All right, so. That's that classic middle pickup, clean sound that we all like. It does have pull push. But it's the end of the day for me, can you tell? Anyway, it's got a really funky little switch here, little Ibanez switch, and it's also got the push-pull, which does different things. Laying down some nasty riffs. What can I tell you? Let's push that thing back in. Check that out, it's got an onboard battery charger. Fishman's thinking about these things. All right, I like it. Okay, that's all the clean sounds I got for you today. I'm not going to get into all that looping thing. I really like that brightness of that bridge pickup. What do you think? Leave comments. ever see that thing, that little TikTok thing or short, or whatever? It's like a small video thing. It's like vertical, you know, so it's one of those little 1 minute video things. And it's got this guy just like, and it says, you know, when you could shred but know nothing about music theory. That's me when I'm testing out the guitars, because I'm all over. I want to know if there's a little high fret that doesn't feel right, a little buzz. If I go to make a bend, if it fades out like before it should, those are the things I'm doing. So when you hear me doing that, please don't shorten down into a 1 minute video and make that me, because, you know, I do know theory, I just don't necessarily play it all the time. There you have it. That is the first CC and the first crappy demo of the first CC. And I mean, look at that wood. Dude, what can I say? Thanks again, folks, for checking out another Dude Craft Guitar demo. And yeah, Chris, this one's on its way, buddy. All right. Thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.